What do you think of when I say boot camp? Exercise, sun and a crazy amount of sweat. Well, not here in KORUMMall, Thane, where you can actually get your kids for a complete day of fun and entertainment in a controlled environment that's completely safe and so much fun. So I'm at the slime making workshop now, where all these little kids are learning how to make slime. Also robotic football and a robotic workshop here that seems like so much fun. A super amazing way to spend the weekend. Make sure you get your kids to KORUMMall in Thane right up to 2nd June for this boot camp. Until next time, see you soon.